Greetings, what's going on? This is Will Mydell once again with the Creative Core for another daily vlog. Today I'm in my studio. I'm almost finished. As you can see, rough cuts. We got some things on the wall, and we got Straight over there in the corner. What's going on, man? Stop by today, check us out. Mr. Experience, the Experience, excuse me, ladies and gentlemen. If you've seen him, you probably walked out of his chair and walked down the street and pulled a couple of numbers. What I'm gonna do today, I want to do some specials this week for Father's Day, but not only that, I want to create some custom muslin backdrops. I'm always shooting on seamless. As you can see, I have up on my wall right here, I have a white, gray. I'm going to get a black also, and I have a couple of colored ones over here that I haven't hung up yet. And I'm probably gonna put on this wall over here, but I want some custom muslin backdrops. So I'm gonna get some paint, I'm gonna lay down some base, and I'm gonna get some sponges. I'm gonna add some texture. I'm gonna paint over a canvas drop cloth, and we're gonna make it do what it do. So I'm probably gonna do a 6x9, and I might cut that in half and make some smaller ones. This is my first time doing it, so I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but it's a learning experience. I will find out after my first drop cloth. At the end of the day, you know, I'd rather do this than pay somebody else. So the experience of knowing how to do this is going to benefit me more than just paying somebody. You know, so in the future, if I have an idea and I want to just go out and get my own paint, I can do it that way. So once I learn it, I can teach you guys, but I'm gonna record a time lapse of me painting, and we'll move from there. So let's cut straight to that.